Hello, class. I wanted to go over just a short tutorial on this week's lab assignment. This week, we're working with Le Chatelier's principle and reversible reactions. For this lab, this is the instruction sheet that you'll find on your Moodle homepage. And so as you go through it, this first part, you're doing an experiment in your house with two clear glasses and some water. This one is pretty self-explanatory. So just go through the steps, make your predictions, and write down your observations. In the second part, you're going to be using a simulation. And so, a few of the things I did want to go over just to show you the simulation and maneuvering with the simulation. So, I'm just going to do this first part just to show you the setup. And so, if you look on in the Moodle classroom and you go down to this is week 6. So, you go down to week 6. Okay. So, I can show you where this is located. And so in week 6, you have the Dropbox where you turn in your assignment. Then you have the template, that's your instruction sheet. The reversible reactions, when you click on that, it's going to give you a file that it's going to download. That file is going to be for the simulation program. Now, this is a Java program, so make sure that you have Java loaded onto your computer for this program to come up. Okay. And so the first thing that the instructions are going to tell you to do is begin by moving the potential energy of A and B to be at equal levels and ensuring that there is no barrier between them in terms of activation energy. So let me show you what that means. So this is your A and B barrier, okay? And if you see it like this, then this represents the activation energy, okay? And so you want to move this so that A and B are both level. And then over here on the right panel, this controls the amount of molecules. So say you wanted to start off with 50 molecules of A. So you put 50 there, and then you can start your timer, and then you look at how the molecules from A move over to B. So the A would be represented in the green color, and then the B would be represented in the red color. And you can see over here on the right panel, you'll see the numbers change. And so you see that your numbers for the number of molecules start to reach an equilibrium. If you need to add heat, then you control it by this lever here. You can add heat and you'll start to see this thermometer go up. You can also remove heat and it'll start cooling it down, okay? So you can see how the molecules change when you increase the heat as well as lower the heat, all right? And so the instructions, and also you can see, sorry, the numbers down here that tells you the numbers of the molecules, right? And so you can play around with this. The instructions are very self-explanatory on what they want to do, but I did want to show you how you can change those the potential so that you have different values for your A and B, okay? And it changes the barrier as well. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.